Now we are going to learn the concept of arrays, loops, and another thing that we will learn is that objects. I just forgot about objects in the start, so I will also teach you objects. So first of all, we have to create a new file. You can also use the previous one. So I'm just going to name it as array.js, or you can name it whatever you want. So uh, first of all, we have to repeat the same process here, array.html, and after that we have to connect our html to js. Now how to connect? Simply write script and src. Now name of your js file. What is the name of your js file? Is like the name of my js file is array.js, so it will be connected to my js. So my html is connected to js. So now let's write the codes of our js in an separate file or externally. So let's comment here, and arrays in javascript, or arrays in simply arrays in js, or whatever you want to write. And let me make some space and let me zoom it for you so you guys can see it clearly. So first of all, we have to create a variable, and variable name, this is array, and variable name, or this is the syntax of array: variable name and square brackets. Okay, variable name. Okay, you can also name it as books or whatever you want. And okay, variable, or simply we are going to choose num. Variables num, you can also give it name as num or whatever you want, now variable array. So this is simple. Variable array is equal to square bracket, and now you have to write your array here, atoms of array. Okay, now 10, 12, 20, 30, 40, and comma 50, 60, 60, and 70 here, 80, 90. If you want further, you can also write further. I'm not going to. You don't miss the semicolon here. Okay, now we have to write console.log here. We will print this in console, and now write the name of the array, which is array. So just open array and inspect. Here you can see console. Okay, look at this is the array, our array. Here you can see, and 0 to 8, and this is the, because the index is 0.